Hello, this is David from Garden G1. Just a quick video to demonstrate how to use the universal magnetic mount for body cameras using the crocodile clip. The crocodile clip is which most cameras use. It's a quick press like this. So the magnetic mounts come in two pieces, like so. Separate them. On each part of the mount it will show the word inside and outside. So obviously the inside goes on the inside of your vest or jacket. So this part is against the material, like so. And you simply get the outer side and place it on top, and you will see it just clicks together. And you get your body camera with a crocodile clip. Then you slot it through this piece here. Like so. To make it ultra secure, you just overlap this lip over the crocodile clip there. Then it's quite secure. You can still rotate your camera, not too much movement. To release it, stick your thumb down there and press the crocodile clip so it opens slightly. To put it on again, press your crocodile clip and slide it in the slot there. And there you have it. If you want to release the camera, stick your thumb there, press on your crocodile clip and lift the camera out. To release the magnetic mount, just take it off. And it's how it connects once onto your clothing. As you can see, that's how it fits in. Then the top piece, the inner piece, just clips on top of it, like so. Okay, thank you for listening.